Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable personalized volume for your earbuds AirPods Pro. You have to start by open settings and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then you will find a headphones line at the top in the settings and you need to tap at this line. Now scroll down and you need to find personalized volume. And right here in audio we have personalized volume. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have empty background. And once you enable this mode, now your earbuds automatically will change the volume, depends of your background. So if you don't need this, just disable this mode and you need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.